Welcome to the channel, guys. Today we're going to go in great detail and talk about how you can set up a limited liability company in the state of Colorado. Now obviously, guys, we're going to look in great detail at the three different methodologies that are available that you could follow to set up a limited liability company in the state of Colorado. The first one is going through the state website itself and looking at all the different requirements that are available for you to set it up from the actual website of the state. The second is using a platform that can support you and guide you and help you remotely set up a limited liability company in the state of Colorado. And the third methodology is where you can use an attorney and get the help that you require from a lawyer to set the limited liability company up for you. Now obviously, the first thing that you need to do is head over to colorado.gov. This is the official state web portal, and all the information that you need in relations to the state is available on the Colorado state website, from unemployment insurances to driver license and ID card renewal to the actual up-to-date news that is available about the state. If you scroll right up, you'll see on the top over here you got the government, where all the information related to government, to business, to employment, education, residents, visitors, and services available. We're going to click on business. Now once we do that, we're going to be taken to the next page. On this page, you'll see the full information about the business and nonprofit resources, and that is one of the things I absolutely love about the state website, because the information that you require for you to set up a limited liability company is available and given to you. This is the fastest way to register and manage a business by using MyBiz Colorado, and obviously with administrative rules and state agencies and division of professions and occupation is given. Guys, it is a very tedious job and it requires a very minute understanding of the legal perspectives to set up a limited liability company. So please make sure that you understand all the required information before you head over and set up a limited liability company, because at the end of the day, the focus that you require to ensure that none of the information is misled or the information that you give is wrong, you will never face a problem. And that is one of the reasons why I make sure in my videos that you have the proper information that you require. Now once you head to the MyBiz Colorado, this is the ability to start your new business. All you need to do is click on start. Now once you do that, you need to start your registration process, and this requires for you to put all the information that you require in order to register a business in the state of Colorado. And obviously the first question is, let's find out the documentation that you're going to need to file by asking a few questions. Have you already filed a trade name in business Colorado? You're going to say no, or yes, we haven't, so we're going to pick no. Now once you do that, you'll have to answer a couple of questions before you get into it. Now obviously, guys, we know for a fact that all these questions are going to lead over to the one last element, is where you would need to get the help that you required. And obviously, if you're a first-time entrepreneur and a person that has never actually set up a limited liability company before, you're going to face a lot of problems. And that is the reason why we're going to introduce this platform to you, which is called Inkfile.com, the fast, free, awarding, winning company where you can join over 1 million business owners that have used Inkfile to set up a limited liability company. Because remember, guys, starting a new business can be stressful and very expensive. There's a lot to do to file a limited liability company, wearing state requirements, numerous steps, and a lot of important documentation that leave plenty of room for error. And guys, mistakes that can be very costly. And that is the reason I always recommend individuals to look at Inkfile.com, because you'll pay a state fee to file your business, but Inkfile doesn't charge any processing fee on top of it. And formation through Inkfile is free always, and you can choose to add on additional services with their premium packages. You get no hidden costs or subscriptions, 100% free formation, the fastest filing speed with a registered agent, and free compliance reminders. And more than that, Inkfile is a comprehensive set of services that has got you covered, from getting your EIN and business licenses to submitting your annual report. Just choose the service to suit your situation as and when you need it, guys. The annual reports, registered agents, virtual addresses, EIN number, and so much more. You can get access to the Inkfile's business growth dashboard, where all your business essentials are all in one place. Get reminders and compliance alerts and grow your business with the additional services when you need them, guys. And all you need to do is scroll down and click on get started. It is as simple, straightforward, easy as that. And once you do that, you're going to get two options options available over here: the entity and the state of formation. Now, once you click on the entity type, there's different entity types that are available: the LLC, the S corporations, the C corporations, and the nonprofit. We're going to go with the limited liability company, the LLC, and the state of formation. We can select from the different 50 states that are available in the United States. We're going to go with the state of Colorado, and once you select it, you're going to get three options in front of you: the silver, the gold, the platinum. Now guys, I personally believe the state of Colorado is absolutely brilliant to set up a limited liability company because the state fee is $1. Yes, you heard it right, guys. All you need to pay is $1, and this is what your selected state charges to file a new business entity, and this amount is passed through and goes 100% directly to the Secretary of State, and IncFile doesn't keep any part of this fee, guys. Now if you go for the packages over here, you'll see the packages cover the actual cost to create, prepare, and file all the required legal paperwork on your behalf to properly form your new business entity. It also includes the cost for additional services and products in your chosen package. The silver one is for $1, the gold is $200, and the platinum is $300. Now with the $1, you get preparation and filing of article of organization, unlimited name searches, a free registered agent service for a year, unlimited phone and email support. If you go for the $200, which is the gold package with comprehensive features to get your business started, the package fee is $199, the state fee is $1. You get everything in the silver, from preparation and filing of the articles of organization, unlimited name searches, free registered agent service for a year, your EIN business tax number, your IRS form 2553, operating agreement, banking resolutions, lifetime company alerts, online access dashboards, unlimited phone and email support, as well as business banking account and business tax consultation. If you go for the platinum one, which is a full feature service at the best value for $300, a one-time transparent payment, and a package fee of $299 and $1 for the state fee. You get business contract templates, free next day filing, domain name, business emails, and everything in the silver and the gold. Now guys, one of the things I always mention to everyone that is thinking about setting up a limited liability company is to make sure that you have the proper support, the assistance, and the guidance. This requires a very minute, detailed research before you can select exactly what kind of business you want to set up, and it's for that reason you require to focus a lot on it. And obviously, if you're a young entrepreneur and starting off your business, you'll be focusing on multiple things such as marketing, strategy development, operations management, and even different analysis for your business, and especially sales. So if you don't have the time, always head over to someone that understands and has done it multiple times to help you set this up the right way. But if you still need to speak to someone, you can always head over to this platform, which is called LegalZoom.com, and get the legal help that you need to create a business formation, wills and trusts, and intellectual properties. The attorneys are with you every step of the way. They've helped 2 million businesses and obviously done 650,000 consultation, and they will refund their fee within the first 60 days if you're unhappy with their services. And you can have the peace of mind knowing that your documentation have been legally recognized in every state, and you will never need to leave home to work with a lawyer. There's no hourly charges and no surprises, guys. And whether you need to form a big company, apply for licenses and permits, or get a tax ID, they'll set your business up for success. You can select what kind of business you want, and once you click it, you can go to the next step. And this is obviously a very easy methodology to start your business with confidence, and obviously protect yourself and make things easy and save on taxes. And there's 3 methodologies that you need to follow by setting up: by telling the name that you want to pick, answer a few questions, and they will complete and file the paperwork for you guys. And it's quite easy and straightforward. You can easily drop them a call on this number at any time and speak to an attorney directly and ask any questions that you have to ensure that you always are up to date with the legal ramifications and legal requirements of the state of Colorado. Now guys, if you need any help, any support, any assistance whatsoever, you can always drop me a message in the comment section down below, and I'll be more than happy to help you, support you, guide you, and to assist you. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, guys, do subscribe to the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon. Share this video with your friends and family, and stay tuned for our next video. Until then, take care.